Hello, good morning students. Welcome to Unique Coaching class. Students, in a previous video, we have learned about group data. In that video, we explained many things like how to remember this formula, which type of sum comes under this group data, કેવા રીતના દાખલા આવશે, formula કઈ રીતે યાદ રાખવાનો, and also I explained some calculation like that DI, okay. Now, today we are going to solve some. But remember, if you skip or forget, or if you didn't watch previous video, first watch that video, then start this. Because in that video, I explained many some basic things which would be useful to solve some. અગાઉનો વિડીયો બાકી હોય સ્કીપ કર્યો તો પહેલા જોઈ લેજો, કારણ કે એ ખ્યાલ હશે તો જ દાખલામાં તમને ઇઝીલી સમજ પડશે. બીકોઝ એમાં જે પોઈન્ટ સમજાવ્યા છે, જે પોઈન્ટ કયા છે એ બધા અહીંયા કામ કરશે. ઓકે. So now today we are going to solve some regarding group data. So let's see sum number 9 in this chapter. Calculate the correlation coefficient between height and weight from the following table. Okay, so here they give height and weight. I also explain what it means. Okay, again I told you 50 to 55 means some person which have a height 50 to 55 and weight 80 to 9, there are total one person. Okay, one વ્યક્તિ છે, one person છે જેની height 50 to 55 and weight 80 to 9. This 10, what's this 10 present? It is says that there are 10 person which weight is 100 to 110 and height is 55 to 60, and this called what? I told you this is called frequency. Okay, આ જે આપેલી છે એને આપણે શું કહીશું? Frequency, that is combined frequency. Height અને weight ની કઈ frequency છે? આ combined frequency છે. I explained in the previous video. Now, remember one more thing. I also told you the previous it is important sum, because in exam you will get 100% this type of sum. Okay, exam માં દાખલો આ રીતનો આવવાનો જ છે, ફિક્સ જ છે, એટલે important છે. And one more last point before start this sum. You have to compulsory practice this type of sum in your notebook. Compulsory notebook માં તમારે practice કરવી પડશે. Only that you can solve in exam. If you only watch video and are not going to solve in notebook, I guarantee you, you made a mistake in exam. Whatever clever, intelligent you are, that is not important. There must be chances to mistake in exam. So compulsory practice in books. Okay, નોટમાં પ્રેક્ટિસ કરજો. જો વિડીયો જોવાનો આઈડિયા આવી જશે, નો ડાઉટ તમને જોશો ચલો બધું ખબર પડી ગઈ છે, પણ પ્રેક્ટિસ કરશો ને એમાં તમને ખબર પડશે ક્યાં ક્યાં નાની ભૂલ પડે છે તે. એમ કમ્પલસરી એમાં પ્રેક્ટિસ કરજો. વિધાઉટ પ્રેક્ટિસ you must make mistake in exam. Okay, ભૂલ પડશે જ. એમાં પ્રેક્ટિસ કરશો એમાં જ આઈડિયા આવી જશે. સપોઝ this sum is given in book. Okay, બુકમાં દાખલો આપેલો છે. This sum was given in book. Now, right now, today, if you watch this video and after 5 days, if you are going to solve this same sum, I guarantee you, if 100 students practice, from the 100, 90 students must made a mistake. જો એ લોકો અઠવાડિયા પછી જો પ્રેક્ટિસ કરશે ને તો બધું ભૂલી જ જશે વિડીયો જોયા પછી. ખાલી આજે વિડીયો જોયો ને after 7 days જો 100 સ્ટુડન્ટ પ્રેક્ટિસ કરે 100 માંથી 90 સ્ટુડન્ટ મિસ્ટેક કરવાના ચાન્સીસ છે જ એમ. એટલે આજે વિડીયો જો તો આજે નહીં તો કાલે પ્રેક્ટિસ કરી લો. બરાબર છે. એક બે વાર તમે પ્રેક્ટિસ કરજો તમારો કન્સેપ્ટ ક્લિયર થઈ જશે એમ. ક્લિયર? ઓકે. So this way you have to do calculation. Now in table, one point here dash is given. So what is present? It's nothing. It means that there is no person which height between 65 to 70 and weight 80 to 90. કોઈ person નહીં કે જેની height 80 to 90 કે 65 to 70 હોય એટલે dash આપ્યું છે. એવું કોઈ person નહીં હશે. Here dash means indirectly zero. તમે zero પણ એને કહી શકો છો. Okay, but here they give dash. So if you check in the book, there are many some where you will get many dash, like here dash is given, here dash is given. Okay, એવા પણ દાખલા છે ઘણા dash આપેલા હોય છે. So dash is present what? There is no number of person, no frequency. So it will be no any effect in our calculation. अपनी calculation में कोई effect नहीं हसे. Dash हसे, so ignore that. Suppose that this frequency is not given, text box is not given. Okay, जो frequency હશે તો માની લો કે box છે જ નહીં. એટલે દાખલો જેમ છે તેમ જ ગણવાનો છે. તો there will be no effect of this dash. Actually જો dash હશે ને તો calculation easy થશે, means કે time બચશે, બીજું કંઈ નહીં એમ. But dash ઓછા હશે તો ગણતરીમાં time થોડો વધારે જશે, બીજું કોઈ changes નહીં આવશે. Okay. So now let's start the sum. Height and weight, we have to give the name. So normally this row ઓકે નોર્મલી the row we have to give name as a x. જે row હશે એને આપણે x નામ આપીશું and the column that is height we give name y. Okay, always follow this. જે રો હશે that is our x and જે column હશે that is our y. Okay, રો ને x નામ આપીશું અને column ને y. Always આપણે આ રીતે x અને y નામ આપીશું. Now here we have to prepare total 6 column. Okay, કેટલી column બનાવવાની છે total 6. For this y, this column we have to prepare this 6 column બનશે. And for this row we have to prepare total 6 row. Okay, row માટે કેટલી row બનશે total 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6 row and 6 column. Now how this starts sum? Okay, so first step, I told in a previous video, under the group data what you will given xi and fi. Okay, or sometimes class and fi. Okay, xi and fi હશે અને class and fi હશે. Here you have a class. Look at, you have a class. But where is its frequency? એની frequency ક્યાં છે? ક્લાસ સાથે એક normal frequency હોય છે, like this 10 to 20 its frequency 5, 20 to 30 its frequency 8. You must need that type of frequency. Okay, frequency પણ જોઈએ. So where is that frequency? So frequency is, suppose here 50 to 55 height. Okay, 50 to 55 height છે and weight 80 to 90 weight હોય 1% છે. Then height 50 to 55 and weight 90 to 100, there are 3%. Height 50 to 55 and weight 100 to 110, there are 7%. So your common point is this 1 3 7 5 2, these all person have a same height, that is between 50 to 55. Okay, આ બધા person ની height કેટલી છે? 50 to 55 છે ને. So if you want to know the frequency of this 50 to 55, what you have to do, the total of this, because આ દરેક person ની weight અલગ અલગ છે. Okay, they have a different weight but their height are same. So if you total them, that is the become of frequency of this 50 to 55. So our first step, we have to find out this type of frequency for each class. દરેક class ની તમારે આ frequency find કરવાની રહેશે. So first column you have to prepare this side, that is called frequency. Okay, that is f, frequency you have to find out. So here just total them, 1 plus 3 plus 7 plus 5 plus 2. So it's 18, 2 plus 4, 10 plus 7 plus 4, 27, 1 plus 5 plus 12 plus 10 plus 7, 35. Here dash given, ignore that, just total them 3, 8, 6, 3, 20. Okay, and we also know the total of this frequency, it's called n. Okay, જે frequency આપણે એનો total કરીએ એ શું બની જાય? n બની જાય. So here this is a frequency, just total them. Okay, now આપણે total કરીએ 18, 27, 35, 20. Total comes 100. So it is our n. Okay, આપનો શું બની ગયો? n બની. So here we find out frequency for this class. But here we have one more class for this x. Okay, તો એની પણ તો frequency જોઈશું ને. We also want its frequency. So 80 to 90 ની frequency કેટલી હશે? We have to total of this. This is frequency of 80 to 90. For 90 to 100, we have to total this. It is a frequency of 90 to 100. So here we have prepare column of frequency also this side. Okay, આ side પર આપણે frequency ની column બનાવીશું. So 1 1 1 to 1, it is 4. Here 3 4 5 3, 15, 7 10 12 8, 37, 5 7 10 6, 28, 2 4 7 3, it is a 16. And if we total them, look at total also same 100 આવશે, because both are frequency total સરખો જ આવશે. Okay, clear? So here we prepare our first column. I told you total 6 column we are going to prepare. Total કેટલી column prepare કરવાની છે? 6. From that first column completed. This side we are going to show total, so that I use at 100. Remember, this is our n. Okay, we get the value of n. Now here the question is, this is frequency, this is also frequency. Okay, બંને frequency છે, but this frequency for a y. Okay, આ કોની frequency છે? y ની frequency છે. And this frequency is regarding to x. x ની frequency છે. So that here we have to write this way. This is a frequency but it is a y. So we should write fy. And here fx. Clear? Fy and xs. We get the frequency, but this is y frequency and this is x frequency. Clear? Fy and sx. So first column completed. Now what is our second column? Come to here. When class and Fi is given. Okay. So here Fi is not available. We find the Fi. Now whenever class is given, our basic step, what we do? We find out mid value. That is called xi. Okay. अपने mid value find કરીએ છે ને? Like in the previous two video, I think 4th or 5th video, there is a class. So we find out mid value. Same here. We have to find out mid value. That is our second column. Mid value. So let's find out mid value from this class 50 to 55. Its mid value 52.5. Here 55 to 60. So 57.5, then 62.5 and 67.5. Same here. Okay, બંને side same જ calculation આવશે. Here also we are going to find out mid value. This is 80 to 90, so it would be 85. Then 90 to 100, 95, 105, 115 and 125. Okay, so our second column is also completed, right? Now this called what? Here class we find out frequency, it is called x. Okay, so here we find out frequency for a mid value for a y. Okay, y માટે mid value find કરી છે, so it is called yi and here it is called xi. Okay, we have to do I think in 4th and 5th video when class is given. Okay, class આવે ત્યાર બાદ આપણે calculation કરી હતી. So our first and second two column completed. Okay, now which column we have to prepare next? So it's depend on our formula like a u and v. Remember when in a previous 2-3 video when class and given, when class is given, we find out mid value. Okay, then if we apply uv formula, we prepare column of u, v, u square, v square and uv. We prepare this column. Same here we are going to prepare this column u, v, u square, v square, uv. Okay, તો અહીંયા પણ આપણે એ જ column બનાવીશું u, v, u square, v square. So our next step we are going to prepare column of u, and remember u for x and v for y. Okay, તો અહીંયા આપણે કઈ કોલમ બનશે? v ની કોલમ બનશે. And I told you that u and v formula we should use for a u x minus a divided by c and for v y minus b divided by c. I explained in a previous video. So our next column is u and v. So u x minus a divided by cx. Okay, and v y minus b divided by cy. Now here you have to decide it which is our a and cx cy. First of all come to here for the u. Okay, x માટે આપણે u બનાવીશું. So we have to suppose any number as a. I told in a previous video about that. Always select center number from this, which is center number. Okay, so center number is 105. So let's take 105 as a. Okay, 105a, and I also told in a previous video if it is our a, so here would be 0. Okay, જો આ a હશે તો અહીંયા કેટલા આવશે? 0 આવી જશે direct. Here 0 and this side -1, -2 and this side 1 and 2. Okay, so our u is completed. Here we take a 105 as a. Okay, 105 as a. Same here for the v, we have to select any number as a b. Which? So I told you select any central number. Now here nothing is in a central, so we can take any from these two any as a b. Okay, બે માંથી કોઈ પણ એકને b લઈ લઈએ. So let's take this one as a b, and if it is a b, so it would be 0 here, -1, 1 and 2. Okay, I explained this point in a previous video. Okay, d ના help થી સમજાવ્યું હતું, બસ એ જ અહીંયા કર્યું છે. 0 1 2, here 0 -1 -2. And last point, here you have to show here what is our a and what is our b. You have to show. So our a is 105 and b is 57.5. Also you have to show our cx and cy class interval. Okay, વર્ગ લંબાઈ પણ તમારે show કરવાની છે. તો x ની વર્ગ લંબાઈ કેટલી છે? 80 to 90, 90 to 100, that is 10. અને y માં 50 to 55, 55 to 60, that is 5 ઓકે જે વર્ગ લંબાઈ છે એ પણ તમારે કમ્પલસરી શો કરવાની છે. So f u and v completed. Next column what we prepare uv, then u square v square. Okay, but before that come to the formula. Now this is not our same formula as we do in a ungrouped data. Here our formula has been changed. Okay, આપનો formula change થઈ ગયો છે. Let's write the formula. Okay, I explained in a previous video the formula. What is formula? That is n sigma FUV. Remember what is here? Sigma FUV. Then we write only sigma u, but here now become UFU. Then we write only sigma v, but here become sigma v FV. This is now formula. Okay, I explained in a previous video in detail how to prepare this formula. So that I told the starting of this video, if you keep forget to watch previous video, first see that then start. Okay, અગાઉનો વિડિયો બાકી હોય તો પહેલા જો પછી આ સ્ટાર્ટ કરે તો easy લાગશે. Then here n sigma u square fu, sigma u fu whole square, and sigma v square fv, and then sigma v fv whole square. So if you see this formula, what we need, sigma means total. Okay, first means n. Okay, પહેલા તો આપણે n જોઈએ. We get n 100. Then sigma fuv. Okay, what we need? Sigma fuv. Then next what we need? Sigma ufu. We need sigma ufu. Then sigma vfu. Okay, and here sigma u square fu. Sigma u square fu and sigma v square fe. So normally we need this amount. Okay, so first of all come to this sigma ufu. What it's mean? So I told in a previous video about that. Sigma ufu means sigma means total. Right now ignore that. So we have to prepare column of ufu, means we have to multiply u with fu. Okay, આપણે u ને fu સાથે multiply કરીશું and then total કરીશું, it become a sigma ufu. We should multiply u with fu. Okay, u ને કોની સાથે multiply કરવું પડશે? fu સાથે, and then sigma means total. Same here, sigma vfv. So here it is a multiply of v to fv. Okay, v નો કોની સાથે multiply? એની frequency સાથે. I explained in the previous video like this, sigma fi. So here what happened? This frequency is multiply x. Okay, x કોની સાથે multiply થાય છે? એની frequency સાથે. Same here, u multiply with its frequency fu and v multiply with its frequency fv. u any frequency fu સાથે multiply થશે, v any frequency fv સાથે multiply થશે. Then we get these two amount. Okay, so then our next column is depend on this. We have to multiply u with its frequency fu. So what would be our next column? So here our next column, this v would be multiply its frequency fv. V would be multiply its frequency fv, and here u multiply its frequency fu. So that we get these two. Here u square fu. So you will get the idea which column we have to prepare. That is u square fu. So we get this, and here v square fv. Our next column is v square fv. Okay, this is the v side and row u side. Clear? So after that we get all four amount. Now the what is the last remaining? That is fuv. So I also explained this. Fuv means it is like the same pattern. We prepare column of u, v, u square, v square, last uv. Okay, the same pattern you will go here. Look at u. Okay, then v. So v is here. Look at here, u. This is u and v. Okay, uv. Then u square v square. But here this u and v multiplies frequency. Okay, frequency સાથે multiply થાય છે, because આ દાખલામાં શું આપેલી છે? frequency આપેલી છે. એટલે uv તો શોધ્યું, પણ એને કોની સાથે multiply કર્યું? then frequency સાથે. After that we prepare column of square. Look at u square fu, v square fu. And last what? આપણે uv ની prepare કરીએ. Same here, but એ કોની સાથે multiply થશે? frequency સાથે. So this last column would be fuv. It will be become both side. FUV. બંને સાઈડ FUV ની column બનશે. So these are our total 6 column we have to prepare. The name of columns. Again, let's remind you which is our first column and second column. Very simple, very easy. We have to prepare column of frequency fx, xy. then we have to find out their mid value, that is xi and yi. Okay, mid value મળી ગઈ. And next column what? That is u v. Then here frequency is given, so u and v multiply with its own frequency, u fu v fv. Then square, u square v square fuv, and last fuv and fu. Okay, here fuv prepare both side. Okay, બધે side બનશે. Now let's prepare this column. So first of all, how to prepare this VFV? Very simple. We have to multiply V with its frequency FV. Here we have a answer of V. Yes, V available, but where is its frequency FV? There is no frequency of FV. But we know that this Y is present V. Okay, sorry. V એ કોને present કરે છે? Y ને present કરે છે. V કોને present કરે છે? Y. And X માટે U કોને present કરે છે? X ને present કરે છે. So here the same pattern, we didn't have a FV, but we have a FY and Y. V કોને present કરે છે? Y ને જ present કરે છે. So indirectly this FY is our frequency of V. Okay, જે FY છે આપની V ની frequency બની જશે. And this fx એ આપની u ની frequency બની જશે, because u present x and v present y. Okay, u x ને present કરે છે અને v y ને present કરે છે. So indirectly the frequency of y become frequency of v, and frequency required here, frequency of y become frequency of v, and frequency of x become frequency of u. Okay, so these are our u and v indirectly, fu and fv. Okay, remember this is our fv and this is fu. So now you can easily prepare this column. Now vfv means we have to multiply these two columns. This is v and this is fv. So 18 minus 1 minus 18, 27 into 0 0, 35 and 40. Okay, vfv completed. Now next v square fe, we all know very well. V square fe means which column we should prepare? We have to multiply these two columns, because v into v is become a v square and fv, right? V into v square થઈ જશે. So indirectly we have to multiply these two columns. So we get v square fv minus 1 into minus 18, 18, 0, 35 and 18. Clear? Okay, so this side completed. Now come to this side, u. So ufu means we have to multiply this u and this is fu. Okay, this column. So 4 into minus 2 minus 8, here minus 15, 0, 28 and 32. Clear? So next u square fu, you get the idea. You have to multiply this u with ufu. Okay, આ બેનો multiply કરીશું. Minus 2 into minus 8, 16, here 15, here 0, 28 and 64. Okay, clear? Now the next what? FUV, and this is the important in this sum, the most important thing, that is FUV. How to find out this FUV? Okay, we have prepared this column both side FUV. Now I'm going to explain how to find out FUV. So in a previous video I explained you FUV means what? FUV means what? So I told you UV also multiply with its frequency. Okay, but which frequency? I told you that u multiply its own frequency fu, v multiply with its own frequency fv, but uv also multiply its own means fuv. એ પોતાની કઈ frequency? fuv સાથે, એટલે કે combined frequency સાથે multiply થશે. Now here which is our combined frequency? This is our combined frequency. Look at here, 137. It is a combined. This one, it is a frequency of not only x and y. Okay, I explain it is point. One means what? One person which have a height 55 and weight 80 to 90. એટલે કે આ જે frequency only x only y નથી, બંનેની combined છે. So this is called FUV. Okay, આ કઈ છે? Combined frequency થઈ ગઈ FUV. Okay, so our next column is what? FUV. It means this frequency would be multiplied with u and v. Frequency કોની સાથે multiply થશે? uv. Again u multiply with its own frequency fu. I told you in a previous video this point, u multiply with its own frequency, that is fu. V multiply with its own frequency fv. So uv multiply with its own frequency, that is fuv. Okay, uv કોની સાથે multiply થશે એની own frequency fuv. So here we should make a multiply of uv into fuv, એટલે કે u into v into any frequency fuv, u into v into its frequency fuv. Okay, for this column we have to multiply this frequency u and v. So let's prepare this. So how to do that? Okay, it is important thing. Now come to here. This is one. Okay, this is frequency. This is what? Here f into u into v. This is our fuv. Okay, fuv શું છે? Frequency, then u and v. Okay, f frequency, and remember this frequency is uv. પણ આપણે uv લખતા નથી આમાં. Here it is a fuv uv like this. Okay, આ કોની frequency છે? u અને v ની. Look at here, this is a v frequency, this is u frequency. તો એમાં u ને v present કરે છે કે આ કોની frequency છે? આ કોની છે? uv ની frequency, but આપણે uv નથી લખતા. I told in previous video. So it is a fuv. It means we have to multiply f into u into v. આ રીતે આપણે multiply કરીશું. So first of all here frequency is 1. Okay, આપણે frequency કેટલી છે? 1 into u into v. So look at here, here it's u and v. How much it's u and v? Look at here, u is -2 and v is -1. Okay, so we have to multiply this 1 into -2 -1. So what you will get answer? You will get answer 2. So here we have to write this. It is a fuv. 2 is what? It is a fuv. Same way we have to find for every numbers. Okay, દરેક number નો આ રીતે find કરીશું. Come to the next. Here 2 is given. Okay, 2, it is a f, and it's u and v what? It's u is 0 and sorry v is 0 and u -2. So what will be multiplied? 2 into -2 into 0. Clear? So what you will get answer? That is 0. So here you should write 0 in bracket. Okay, clear? તો આ રીતે આપણે દરેકે દરેક ફ્રીક્વન્સીની fuv શોધવાની છે. Now here 1 is given. 1 is given. Okay, its v is 1 and u is -2. So 1 into -2 into 1, you will get answer -2. So here you should write -2. Clear? Here dash is given, so you have to do nothing for this dash. Okay, so dash આપેલ તેમાં કંઈ કરવાની as it is રહેશે. Now come here 3. Okay, so 3 will multiply here -1 and here also -1. So 3 into -1 into -1. 3 into -1 into -1. How much you will get? That is only 3. Clear? Then 4. So here -1 and this side 0. Okay, so 4 into -1 into 0. 4 into -1 into 0. 0 સાથે કોઈ બી multiply થાય એટલે કેટલા આવશે? 0 જ આવશે. Here 0. Then here 5. So 5 will be here -1, here 1. So 5 into -1 into 1. So here you will get -5. Okay, clear? So this way you have to prepare for every numbers, every frequency. Now the next number 3. Okay, so this side -1 and this side 2. So 3 into 2 into -1. So here you will get -6. Okay, clear? Now come to 7. Here -1 and here 0. Now 0 into 7 into -1. 0 સાથે કોઈ બી multiply થશે, it becomes 0. Same here 10. Okay, here 0. Here also 0. 0 સાથે બધું multiply થશે, so it would be 0. Next 12. This side 0, this side 1. So it would be 0. 8. Here 0 and here 2. But 0 છે અહીંયા આગળ એક બાજુ 0 એટલે multiplication માં શું થઈ જશે? 0 થઈ જશે. Clear? Now here 5. This side -1, this side 1. So 5 into -1 into 1, you will get -5. Then 7. This side 1, this side 0. Okay, 0 સાથે multiply થશે એટલે 0 થઈ જશે. Here 10. 1 1 10 into 1 into 1, so 10. 6 1 2, so 6 into 2 into 1, it would be 12. Now 2, this side minus 1, this side 2, minus 1 and 2, so it would be 2 into 2 4 minus 1, so minus 4. Then 4, here 2, here 0, 0 side multiply, so it would be 0. Now 7, this side 1, this side 2, 7 into 2 into 1, so 14. And the last 3, here 2, here 2, 3 into 2 into 2, so it would be 12. Clear? So this way you have to prepare this. Okay, so it is the most important thing in this sum to prepare this FUV answer. Now how to prepare this FUV column? Very simple, you have to just total. Okay, FUV column करें बनाने, just total. Look at here, you have to just total of this number, the bracket number means 2 3 minus 5 minus 4 and 0, 2 3 minus 5 and minus 4, so you will get answer minus 4. Clear? Just total this bracket. Now here 0 0 0 0 0, if you total of 0, it would be 0. Now minus 2 minus 5 0 10 14, so minus 7 and 10 14, so you will get 70. Here minus 6 0 12 12 12 12 24 minus 6, so we will get 18. Clear? So this way you should prepare the UV FUV. Now this side FUV same pattern, just total of this 2 0 minus 2, it would be 0. Here 3 0 minus 5 6 minus 5 and 6 minus 11 and 3, so you will get minus 8. This side all 0, so 0. Minus 5 10 12 10 12 minus 5 17 and minus 4 14 12, you will get 22. Clear? Okay, now the last point, just total them. Here you will get the amount for our formula. Okay, so which column we have to total? So remember, first of all, this mid value we never made a total of mid value. Okay, mid value total thase nahi. Here we are not going to total of this u and v. Okay, u and v no column we total thase nahi, because if we total them, what we get? We get answer of sigma u and here we sigma v, but in this formula we didn't need a sigma u sigma v anywhere. Okay, એટલે total ની જરૂર નથી, because આપણે sigma u અને sigma v ની કશે જરૂર નથી પડતી, એટલે આપણે એનો total નહીં કરીશું. So remember, you are not going to do total of second and third column. Okay, second and third no total નહીં થશે, એ સિવાય બધાને આપણે total કરીશું. So now let's total them. VFV, okay, VFV 35 40 and minus 18 57 18 35 80 133 17, here maybe is remove 12 12 for 24 minus 6, here it is 18 17 18 minus 4 31. Okay, now this side UFU 28 32 and minus 8 minus 15 37 16 25 28 64 123 and 70 22 minus 8 31. Okay, so you have to just total of last 3 column and last 3 row, and last point, the total of this FUV both side would be shift. I told you we prepare FUV total 2 types. Okay, બધે વખત આપણે બંને સાઈડ કોલમ બનાવી છે, તો બંને સાઈડનો આન્સર કેવો આવવો જોઈએ? સેમ જ આવવો જોઈએ. Okay, if it is not match, it means you have to made a mistake on this. ઓકે, જે બ્રેકેટમાં લખ્યું છે એમાં તમે કોઈક મિસ્ટેક કરી હશે તો જ તે આવશે. So here you will get that idea if you done any mistake. Now nothing remaining, just put value in formula, you will get the answer. Let's write FUV answer, that is 31, sigma UFU, that is 37, and U square FU 123, sigma VFV 35, and V square FV 133. 57 and 133. Okay, now every value available. Now just put value in formula. N 100, FUV 31, sigma UFU 37, VFV 57. Divide by N 100, U square FU 123, UFU 37. N 100, sigma V square FV 133, sigma VFV 57. So 3100, 37 into 57, 2109. 12300, 37 square 139. 13300, 57 square 3249. 3100, 2109, 991. Here 10931, 10051. So 991, 10931 into 0051 and root 10481.77. So you will get answer 0.09. Okay. So remember, as I told you, practice some in notebooks, then your concept would be clear very easily. Okay, right now if you watch video you will get the idea, but if you practice then your concept would be more clear than before.